day 2. Last night it was a good experience. Like we had a tent stay. It was so good. The first time tent experience, and the place we stayed, and the people here are like so nice people, and they just gave this room to stay for no cost. We didn't expect this much hospitality from them. Actually, we stayed like 4 5 of them stayed in the tent, and the other two were stayed inside the room. We packed our tent and getting ready for the day 2 adventure. Our ride has started for the day, and now we are heading towards Badra Tiger Reserve, which is famous for scenic routes. So we'll be covering all those places, and people also told like there will be no network signal inside. Landslide ஆயிருக்குடா. Looks so adventurous, bro. After exploring some of the routes, we thought of getting back to the stay place, but luckily we met a guy who is working in forest department, and he also suggested us some waterfall inside forest, and he also agreed to come along with us. He's suggesting us to park our bike here and go by walk, but we want to try off-road, and there is also a river crossing ahead, so we want to try that too. That we just did a river crossing. It was so good. To be honest, this was my first experiencing like this much off-road and river crossing and all. It was kind of wild, but it's worth it. This is the guy who gonna help us to reach the waterfall. Thank you, bro. Guys, we finally reached the waterfall and it looks so massive, and it is very much less crowded, so it's very good. Like I can barely tell like 5 to 6 people standing. So it is so good. It looked like a private waterfall. See the beauty here. So we are now returning, and it was such a good place. Don't miss this place. The place called Ukhadi Waterfall. There are so many leeches, but you need to take care of that. Other than that, nothing. It's an easy trekking, only like 1 kilometer from the parking. After some time, we come to know that both the classic 350 rear brake assembly got damaged. So we just took a break here, so we're cleaning all the shoes, the pants, like full of mud. This place is also like looks cool, you see. It's like 2 o'clock, but it didn't feel like 2 o'clock. The climate was chill. We're gonna be back to the room. Still, my friend Ashwin is not recovered fully from fever, so we just thought of staying here tonight. And also, we need to give all our bikes to the water wash, and also we need to repair classic 350 brake assembly before tomorrow's ride. It was a Sunday night, so every shops were closed, but luckily we met a guy who is a part of bikers group, and he somehow arranged parts for us. Repairing got delayed, but they promise they will deliver the bike next morning. That's all about day 2.